for a year in Iraq in 2008, 2009. So I'm a National Guard mom, and when I saw patients and all that you've done, and you've left your home since, and you've come here to protect us, I just wanted to say thank you from President Biden and from the entire Biden family. So the White House baked you some chocolate chip cookies. I can't say that I baked them all myself, but so I wanted to give everybody a cookie. It's just a small thank you for your service and your family service and all that you've done for our nation. I'll tell you that I truly appreciate all that you do. And the National Guard will always hold a special place in the heart of all the Bidens. So thank you. Thank you very much.